Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I want to showcase an incredible line of custom taillights from one of the best aftermarket taillight manufacturers in the business, Spyder Automotive. And the lights that you see with me here today are just a small sample of some of the amazing custom taillights that they have to offer. So why is it that aftermarket lighting, but specifically taillights, is just so incredibly popular? Well, if you ask me, I think a set of custom taillights is one of the easiest and inexpensive ways to add some style and individuality to your vehicle, while at the same time improving your nighttime visibility to other drivers. And these days, custom taillights come equipped with all sorts of different technologies like LEDs, fiber optics, and even sequential turn signals. And it's for all these reasons on why it only made sense to me to highlight one of the best brands in the business, Spyder Auto. Now, the team over at Spyder Auto have been designing and manufacturing quality and attractive custom taillight assemblies for over a decade now. And since their inception, they have slowly risen to be one of the most recognizable taillight brands in the automotive aftermarket. Every single custom taillight that they manufacture is made only using very high quality materials, so not only are these taillights built to last and fit perfectly in your vehicle, but they also comply with all DOT and MVSS regulations, and they even received a stamp approval from the Society of Automotive Engineers, just in case you guys had any doubts with their quality level. But quality certifications aside, let's talk about the real reason why you want a set of custom taillights, and what more of a reason do you need than they just look fantastic. In my opinion, Spyder designed some of the most unique and attractive taillights on the market. Their diverse use of lighting technology, housing colors, lens colors, and lighting features really sets them apart. Now, when it comes to housing colors, you're going to have two main options, either black or chrome. And lenses are offered either the standard clear or a sinister smoke tint. But once again, guys, it's the lighting features that really make these taillights stand out. You can choose from thick illuminated fiber optic U-bars that are going to function as a running light like this Toyota Tundra taillight or even this Audi A6 light. Or maybe you just love the look of a traditional individual bright LEDs throughout the housing. Well, if that's the case, check out this Ford Fusion taillight or even these really attractive Toyota FJ Cruiser taillights. Both have LED boards that are just littered with bright red individual LEDs. But by far my favorite feature for any custom taillight is going to be a sequential turn signal function like this Subaru BRZ taillight. This function creates a crazy flowing light motion every single time you use your turn signal. So if there's any feature that will really set your car apart from stock, it's definitely going to be this one. So now that we have all the different styles and lighting features covered, let's go ahead and talk about what Spyder has to offer in terms of fitment, and let's just say, guys, it's a lot. They offer custom taillights for a slew of different domestic, Japanese, and even European models. But not only will these taillights bolt directly up to the factory mounts on your car, but they also are designed to work in conjunction with the factory wiring harness. Every Spyder taillight installs easily using the factory-style connectors, so there is no additional wiring needed. Well, everyone, that's going to conclude my review today of Spyder's attractive and extensive line of custom taillights. So if you're searching for a way to add some style and improved lighting to your vehicle, head over to CarID.com right now, enter in your vehicle's year, make, and model, and start browsing Spyder's huge collection of custom taillight assemblies. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.